All right, so welcome back, guys. This is On Tech Studio. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to do a good mock-up or a good frame for your video. How to add a phone frame or how to add a phone mock-up, anyone that you call it, to your video. So if this video was very helpful for you, kindly like, subscribe, and share, and even turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I drop this helpful video. So without wasting much of our time, let's quickly rush to the mockup which I did. This is the mockup here. So this is one of the mockup
I've forgotten about you.
that I did.
It doesn't mean I stopped caring. Because
So
the truth is,
you can see how the mockup was fitted.
sometimes
So I'm going to take you step by step how I was able to
just to see how you're
achieve
doing,
something like this.
to make sure you're
The
okay.
mockup is not that good, but
every time I get the urge
that's
to reach
okay.
out, reality
So let's
reminds
quickly
me
rush
we're strangers
and
now.
go ahead to what brought us here. First of all, you have to find your Google, move to your Chrome. Let's open the Chrome. So first of all, you're going to search for what? You're going to search for phone mockup or phone frame. Phone mockup or phone frame, anyone. Phone frame. You will put PNG to it. Phone frame PNG, and search for it. So you see many of them will be out. So you got to download the one that you want. You got to download the ones that you want. You just move to images at the top. You got to download the ones that you want. You got to download the one that you want for this video. So you can also search for phone mockup. Still the same thing. Let's search for phone mockup PNG. Let's tap on it. You see it will still come out. So I'm going to teach you how to do a phone mockup with how to do a good video with this phone mockup. You just download how to download it. Either you just press on the one that you want, you see download image, or you just press on it, it will open. You still press on it, you see download image. You see here download image. So you just download it. So I've downloaded one already. So no need for me to download again. So we just rush and open and look for our InShot. If you are using KineMaster, you can still use your KineMaster. Look for our InShot. Open our InShot app. Let's open our InShot app. Click on the video, new. So once you press on new, the first thing you have to do is to import a video that you want. Import the video that you want to import. Import the video that you want to import. Which video will I import here? Which video? Let's look for a video that we're going to import. Okay, let's just use the same video. Let's just import it, the same video here. So you can put your canvas. You know that this is YouTube video. You can still put your canvas. So it will be like this. Then good. The next thing you have to do is for you to import that phone frame or phone mockup that you downloaded. That's the next thing you have to do here now, is to import it. Where is it? Is it? Let me check. No, not this one. Let me delete it. Where is it? Where are you? Why are you hiding? Where are you? Just open this one. All right, see it here. So the next thing you have to do here is called for you to come and look for switch along here. Look for switch. Now this is switch here. I know that you can see the switch. This is switch here. Look at switch here. This is switch. So you have to tap on the video, not on the phone mockup. Tap on the video. You do switch. Press on that switch. You see your video come up. The video come up. So you press hard on the video, drag it to the end. As you can see, I will drag it to the end. Now you see that the video have covered the phone mockup. Let's play it.
Just because we don't talk anymore,
you see,
doesn't mean I've forgotten.
it have covered it.
Just because we don't.
So next thing you have to do is for you to use your hand and make the video to be small. Make the video to be small or to be the same size with the phone mockup, anyone that you want. So once you have done it, you have to come here and look for what? Mask. You have to come and look for mask. This mask here, you have to come and look for it. So once you have seen it, you just tap on it. You choose the third one. You choose the third one. You choose this one here. Choose the third one. Once you have chosen the third one, you press the first arrow up. Let me show you. You press this arrow up here, that arrow, so that it will be the same in size. So you just press it, use it to make it to be equal. If it's not equal, you can use your hand to push it anyhow that you want. So now it's still the same size. Then you have to press the side one. You have to use the side one to make it to be the same size with the phone mockup, with the phone frame. Make it the same size, or it should be small. It should enter small so that you can see the side of the phone frame. So when I'm done with that, you will move here. I want to show you step by step. You open this one here. Use this one. Just be watching the shape of this thing now. I'll be using it to operate it. Just be watching the shape. Just be watching the shape. As you can see, the shape is moving. I'm just driving it little by little, little by little, little by little. Now let's check. Let's just check how it is. Have you seen it? Have you seen it? Let's just touch it a little more. Let's just touch it a little more. Don't forget the one I'm using. This one here. This one here. That's the one I'm using to touch it. Let's just touch it a little. No. Touch it. Be touching it. So I'm sure that everything I've covered now. Let's just press the good. Have you seen it? How everything lapped? Like everything just lapped very, very well.
Just because we don't talk anymore doesn't mean I've forgotten about you. It doesn't mean I.
Have you seen it? It have lapped. So the next thing you have to do here now is to press the good. Press the good here and tap on the phone mockup. Tap on the phone mockup. Tap on the phone mockup. Oh, we have passed. Tap on the phone mockup and drag it. As you can see how I drag it. Wait, let me go back so that you can see how I dragged it. So I just tap on the phone mockup and drag it. Let's just drag it. Be watching the blue line on under so that it won't pass. Be watching the blue line under so that it won't pass. Now everything is good. So let's just play our video and see how it looks like. Or we can make it bold so that you can see how it looks like. Let's press here so that you can see how it looks like. Have you seen it? This is how it looks like.
Just because we don't talk anymore doesn't mean I've forgotten about you. It doesn't mean I stopped caring. Because the truth is, I still do.
So let's just watch this video small.
Quietly, just to see how you're doing, to make sure you're okay. But every time I get the urge to reach out, reality reminds me we're strangers now. And maybe you don't want me in your life anymore. That's why I stay silent. That's why I've faded from your world. But even though everything's changed, I want you to know I'm still here.
Alright, so this is it, guys.
If you ever need a shoulder,
let's just move back.
A moment.
Oh, sorry.
I'm one message away. No matter the time.
Let's just press back. So this is it. So this is how to do a phone mockup. And remember, this canvas, I use canvas to make it to be small like this. This canvas, so you can use it for anyone. If you are doing your TikTok video, you can use your TikTok video and do it. You can make it to be big, like a TikTok video. As you can see now, it is big now. But for YouTube, you come to the canvas again. Come to the canvas. I know that so many people will not see what I'm doing, but wait, let me show you so that you want to make see the canvas here. See the canvas here. So you just come to the canvas I make it to be small, 16 by 9, 16 by 9. You use it for your YouTube, 16 by 9. If it's for TikTok, you can use for TikTok, Instagram. See your TikTok here, Instagram and both, or any one of them. You can use it. As you can see now, everything is well here. So but I'll do it for that YouTube video to be small like this. This is the size of the YouTube. So good. So
just because we don't talk anymore,
as you can see it here,
doesn't mean I've forgotten about you.
so everything is well lapped.
Stopped caring.
Everything is well lapped. First of all, just go to your to the post button, move to your gallery. There you see the pictures there. First of all, import the video. Once you import the video, you import the phone mockup. After importing the phone mockup, look for switch. Tap on switch. After you have tapped on switch, next you have to do is just press on the video. Just tap on the video and switch it. After switching it, you just drag it to the end and just do the other things that I showed you here. Use your mask and everything. So if you are missing anything, just always watch the video again for you to learn how to do your phone mockup. To be good. So that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, kindly like, subscribe and share so that YouTube can recommend this video to more people. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop this kind of helpful video, you can be among the first people to receive notification on it. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. And if there's any video that you want me to do, you can drop it under the comment section so that whenever I bypass it, I can look at it and do the video so that everyone can watch and learn from it. So thank you, guys. Kindly like, subscribe and share. I'm still your guy on Tech Studio.